Hello guys. Okay, it's been a while since I have posted, but welcome back to my channel. So let's see, babes. This is my newest gadget, baby, toy, and I'm so excited. I literally just got it yesterday and I've been like waiting. I already have projects lined up and everything. So if you don't know what this is, it's a sewing machine. Okay, I'm gonna do an unboxing. I opened it, but I have not taken it out of the box. All right, so let's get it unboxed. So let's see here. Initially, just the instructions, the manual. I'm gonna have to look through here and, you know, get some tutorials or something, because I actually in high school did take like a sewing class, and I have like a whole portfolio of different things that I did and everything. And it was all pretty cool. And I loved it. So that's basically to the extent that I have my knowledge in sewing. Okay, here's the cord for the foot pedal where you connect it. I might have to stand up, guys. These are like the bag that it comes with. It just has extra needles, and then heavy duty needles, little different foots for the machine, and then a couple bobbins in here, which I'm gonna need more too. It's not gonna cut it. Oh, I guess there's a third one. So I'm still probably gonna need more, but 3 for now is going to work. I'm so excited. Let me get it out first. And then I'll put it on the table. Alrighty, guys. Here it is. Oh goodness, I'm being crazy, but here it is. Here is the foot pedal. Very cool. Oh, actually, this is the cord for it. This was the power cable. Duh. Okay. So excited. So here is what essentially the side that I will be looking at, how it looks. It does come with a little quick reference guide, which is nice. I am so excited. Oh, I love it. I think they have like a little scanner thing right here where it will give me ideas, videos on ideas what to do with everything. Let's see here. Does this one have a light? I don't think so. That's not gonna be good. This, let me see. Oh, this is just an extra like thing. You could probably put some stuff in here, maybe. I don't know. Let's take the user guide. So this is just a little booklet of how, you know, everything it's gonna have and need and everything. And I love this because I want, obviously not right now, but eventually I want to get a serger as well. But this one has some stitching that would kind of work for the edges of the fabrics, you know. It has a little screen here, all the different, let me turn around, all the different, let's see, all the different stitching that it does. It even does, where is it? It even does buttonholes right there. So that's gonna be nice, come and convenient. Let's get it set up and then I'll maybe do some stuff, because my projects are, I'm going to, it really has to do with curtains. So 2 curtains, I'm gonna make one from like scratch, and then the other one I'm going to just hem it up, pick it up by 6 inches, sorry, goodness. And the third project, I mean, it's just, I want to make an apron. It's a very detailed apron. because I'm always on the hunt for things, all things pineapple in the kitchen. Well, I found like maybe 1 or 2 pineapple apron, and I don't like them. They either have like other colors on them, or they're not the right yellow that I like, or whatever. So I thought, this is great. I can make it my own now. So I got a pattern, but it looks complicated. So maybe I'll record that later. I'll show you a few of the other things that I have recently gotten for the sewing machine for different projects that I'm wanting to do. This isn't specifically for the sewing machine, but I got all kinds of, I don't know what they're called in English. Safety pins? I don't know. Let me see. Yeah, safety pins. It says it's got, let me see, can I open it? It says it has 550, so that's crazy. It's got all kinds, big ones, gold ones, medium ones, baby ones. Here comes the good stuff. So, you know how I was talking about the aprons? Well, I've found this cute little tote at Walmart. It's just like a canvas bag, but I don't care for this bag. I got it for this little guy to put on the apron like that. Boom. Is that not 1, genius, and 2, the most prettiest pineapple that you've seen? So that's the first thing. But I probably won't make the apron for a little bit. I'm gonna get used to it. So I got some fabric from Hobby Lobby. This one, it's so pretty. It's like a thicker fabric. And what I'm gonna do with this is actually make the curtain for the downstairs bathroom, because it's got a sizable window, and when we're outside and people come in and use that bathroom, I've never seen anyone through the window, but people mentioned that they were concerned, so they use a different bathroom. So I was like, okay, well, I guess I should make a curtain for there so everyone feels comfortable. Next thing, I got this pretty yellow fabric. I got this for the apron, for a test apron, because I'm not gonna do the pineapple one just yet. I'm gonna test it out, make sure I know how to use the pattern, and then create, one that I want. Well, I mean, I'm still gonna use this one, but still. And it's funny because, let me show you guys. So this is the pattern. Very cute, very feminine. It calls for 3 yards right there. So this is 3 yards. And the lady that was like helping us out at Hobby Lobby, she was like, oh my goodness, 3 yards for an apron? That's too much. But I'm like, I don't know. That's what the pattern says. So that's what I got. So we'll see if it will come out correct or not. But anyways, Hobby Lobby was having a sale. Yep, go down. A sale on their threads. So I got a dark blue, black, the essentials, white, and then yellow, because I'm like, okay, well, I'm going to practice with the apron. Let's get a yellow one. But it's not the same yellow. I should have picked out the fabric first, but it's fine. It will stand out. Now these things I got from Walmart. Got a little, I love tomatoes, first of all. But I got some a tomato like pin cushion. It's so cute. I got a seam ripper because I'm probably gonna put some seams somewhere and it's gonna be bad and I'm gonna have to take them out. So you can never go without one. And this, I am so excited for this. First off, I don't know if you can tell, but the scissors are glittered. This is a rotary tool, or a rotary cutter. So it's gonna be nice for the, for when I need to cut something, just like the fabric, straight line, whatever. And these are more for like little thread snips if I need them, because these big ones are gonna be too big for small stuff, I guess. I got these little pins. So these are like, I think for beginners, because as the heads, first off, they're big, they're colored. Professionals use just the ones that don't have like a colored head or anything, or a round one. It's just like, they can get lost more easy. So got this thread because my next, one of the projects is to hem one of Andrew's shorts, and they're like a khaki color, so that's why we got this one. More black, more white, and this blue for my curtain that I'm going to hem up. So yes, so far that's what I have. It was a long time coming. I've actually wanted a sewing machine since like before my wedding. And that is now basically 2 years ago. I had it on my list and no one bought me one. But that's fine, I finally got one. And I'm actually so excited. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. That's just been a quick little video of a sewing machine that I have recently got. So thank you babes for watching, and have a good one.